wants to play for India, play in Olympics and stuff. So, and as I said, it's one of the fastest growing sports. So we feel good, we're in a good place. Only thing that was missing was the funding, which we're bringing it right now. So, and then I need your help because ఎందుకంటే ఈ game ఈజీగా కంపేరింగ్ విత్ కబడ్డీ బికాజ్ కబడ్డీని మీరేమి ఎవరికి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయక్కర్లేదు కదా. సో ఈ గేమ్ ఏంటంటే కొంచెం లర్నింగ్ కర్వ్ ఉంటుంది. వన్స్ యూ గెట్ ద లర్నింగ్ కర్వ్, in India with the young population like this, it's very easy to understand. So the media has to do a little bit of help in educating a little bit. Maybe running some programs on just awareness. These course along with our we're putting our money and effort and all those things. With your support, we can all say like, hey, we all worked as a team to get this game. And I remember those days when there was no federation, no football. But 4 years later, I was there, and I was one of the reasons why we are at this stage. And we feel absolutely confident that will happen. So just need your support also in spreading that. One other reason I will tell you, for the US number one sport. There's a reason for it. We choose my relatives, friends in US. Everybody talks about football. So until the Indians part of the everybody, Indians in US are crazy about football. It's in our blood basically. It's an action sport. Kabaddi and football is even, we're talking about American football. So I doubt later, in the chala games are we played here throughout India, and a tremendous response. Wherever we go, tremendous response. But there are a lot of resources, stadiums, financial, but we're getting there. This is the first step, and we're committed towards it, and you will see more and more coming in. Every month there will be some activity, so we'll be notifying you that what we're doing. So this is the beginning of it, basically. But for the American Football Federation of India is a member of the International Federation, and that is run by NFL. So it's NFL's developmental partner, Anmata. Atla association only. Then what we have is like we have few NFL players that are part of our organization. They want to fund, they want to come in, they want to do some activities in the future as we get more. Yes, we do.
Can you name some of them?
I mean, it's not a completely official. I'm not sure if they would like me to name it now, but when the time is right, we will name it because we're still working on more. We already have like 4 or 5 major names, players that won Super Bowls, superstars. So they're already, looking into it, and day by day we'll have more and more people. Our plan is by the time our senior national championship out there, that's when we want to bring in all of those guys. They're old and not active, for example, even though they're retired. We want to bring them. And in India, the NFL players do, but they're superstars. We want to bring them here, show them, and involve them in coaching, involve them in administration, involve them in all kinds of activities. For new sport to India, but it is not new to us. It is not new how to run the sport because we know how it's run and we can just do it. And India is even a bigger market than US. 250 million there, and we're talking about 1 billion people here. So everything is in place. So that will happen once we start rolling on this one. You will see some NFL players coming in. And we may do that on a regular basis for the academies, coaches, and all those things.